Hello everybody. Okay. Call Brar. Open up. Open up about his best friend, co-star Cameron Boyce death. Yes. Yes. Call Brar opens up about his best friend, co-star Cameron Boyce death on Jennette Mccurdy podcast. Okay, I know that very hard because he'll be up talking about losing him. They very hard. They very hard. After death, he did that very hard. He alone. He like by himself because they do stuff together. They do stuff together on do Jesse together. Them do Jesse together. Them do Jesse together. Them do Jesse together. Them do Bunk together. They do live together. Then do a lot of stuff together. I know any daddy turn in somebody, when I be better now. Because through the after me find out wherever I get emotional too. Because I watch him on Judge or whatever. Because he know Cameron Boyce. He best friend with him. They two kind of grow up together. Like Sky Jackson to in China. Cowboy. He lived with Cameron Boyce. He literally lived with him. He said it on Janie Mccurdy broadcast. My heart with him. I hope he better. Going bed or wherever. I know every death. With it too, yeah. God made me say that I hope he got better, got post up on Instagram, say about so memory of Cameron Boyce, memory do about Cameron Boy died, Cameron Boy for the nation. God, he do that. My funny and Cameron Boyce will be mess. Everything that he will remember everything about him because him did that very hard. He did that very hard because he walked with Cameron Boyce. He know Cameron Boyce his best friend. The two close. Many days you lose somebody like that you care about, very close to best friends. Married to him, like brother to him, like David or me, yeah. That is I learned because I learned about Mac. I find out because Mac, man, not close. Man, for Mac, me and him, friends, like that, yeah. Well, tell me if I me did every video too. Yeah. Video too, yeah. Okay, thumb up, subscribe my YouTube channel.